Oh, look at that, it's perfect. Oh.
What is up, people? Welcome back to another video. I'm T2 Sugars, Welsh graffiti artist, and today I am at Ynyshir Primary School and I am painting this wall. I have 4 days to do so, which is quite a lot of time for set little wall. But we just had storm Eunice, I think it's called, and it's more likely to rain 90% of the time, so I've probably got 3 hours to get it done. If you are interested in seeing all the stages of how I paint this lovely wall, stick around and I will show you. First step is I need to get rid of all of the grime off the wall like this. 2, I need to glue the wall. 3, I need to paint the wall. 4, I need to mark out my design. And 5, I need to paint my mural. So they're all my steps that I need to be doing. So let's go get some paint and let's start this mofo. So with any painting, we always start off with the best job, cleaning. Now all the grime and slime has been washed off, it's time to glue. And what this is, it's called stabilizing solution. It's just a very watered down glue. And I have got it in a pressure bottle and I just spray it onto the wall so the paint sticks a little bit better. First we get our dust sheets out and then we get some white masonry paint, because that's what we use to whitewash. White masonry paint. Masonry paint is used for outside, emulsion is used for inside. And the reason why I say that is because I have gone to some painting commissions and someone has painted the wall in emulsion. So that means the paint will just flake off in about a week's time. So yeah, let's get this bad boy in my bucket. Woo! That's all the prep work done. Let's get on to painting. What's that? I'm just waiting for it to dry. Then I'm going to start marking out the design. And what I mean by the design is the pupils here at Ynyshir Primary have come up with a real nice design premise. So what we're going to be going with is the school logo in the middle, and then Together We Learn is the school motto, and the other parts of the wall are going to be broken up into different sections. The 4 core purposes that the school are trying to encourage are ambitious, capable learner, healthy, confident individuals, ethical, informed citizen, and enterprising and creative contributor. So they are the 4 core purposes. We're going to base them around the subjects of school and hopefully fill up this wall with some good images. These are my little sketches that I done yesterday, and to keep it more uniformed, I'm going with this kind of style so that it all fits together as one on the wall. I hope the pupils of Ynyshir Primary understand. So the reason why I've done this for is because I'm trying to keep it stylized. It looks like one more cohesive piece of artwork. Hope that makes sense. So yeah, here is the beauty of spray paint. I am dyslexic, as most of you might know, and I've spelled together wrong, and luckily I can rectify that with the lovely thing called spell checker. That spell checker being my wife, and that she said I've spelled together wrong. But yeah, I've suffered with dyslexia all my life, and I've not let that hold me back in any of the ventures that I have done. I have been to university, and I went there without even an English GCSE. So if there are things that in your life coming through school that are holding you back, there are ways around it all of the time. So persevere and you will get there the same as me. What's that? How have I felt today's gone? Well, day 1 is always a bit of an eye-opener. We've done a lot with cleaning the wall, prepping the wall, getting it all painted white, and now the design is marked out. We have our characters all up on the wall with the subject matters, and tomorrow will be a fact of just filling in everything. I'm very, very happy. The weather held off, even though we missed a couple of hours this morning, about 3 hours, waiting for the rain to stop. But hopefully tomorrow we get more sunshine like we had today. I'll see you guys in the morning. Ha ha ha! Day 2. Just found this little contraption. It's only got 3 wheels, missing one. But I wheeled all my paint around here. I need to get one of them in my life. So let's get all this uncovered and let's start painting. Oh, it's coming along lovely. So we are done for day 2. We made one hell of a dent to this side. We still got all the other side to do tomorrow. But if we get the weather like we've had today, I can definitely get that done. Tomorrow will be a little trip up to GRAFFITI, pick up a few caps and a few different colours here and there that I've ran out of, just to make sure they get this side finished. Hopefully the weather holds out for tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Whoa, right, day 3. Just got my caps and a couple of more tins of paint. So they're all in the van. Let's go back to Ynyshir. Hey, we just pulled up and it started snowing. It's gonna be a very interesting day. Oh, not a great start to the morning. Obviously it started snowing, now the sun's come back out. All my tarp, I've just taken it all down, but it did nothing. The wind must have been that bad. It folded in my marquee. That was just literally upside down at one point. So I've just flipped it back over quickly. And none of my tarpaulin stayed on it. It was all up in the trees and everything. So I've just literally just came in and just got it down as quick as possible. Then setting up my camera, I've literally just broken my road mic. Day 3 isn't going to plan. So far anyway. Right, how is day 3 going? We had a bit of a miserable start. It was snowing for a little tiny bit. Then I came around, everything was smashed up, so I fixed everything back up, got all the tarpaulin off, and we have hit the ground running. Smashed out this little section here in about an hour, which leaves me another 5 hours to do the rest. As in for the mural in general, I'm really happy with painting it because it's not something that I do on a normal day-to-day basis. Everyone kind of wants like landscapes and things like that. So yeah, the mural is quite simple. It isn't like photorealism, so I haven't got to go into like a mega details, and that's why I'm really enjoying it. I'm a little bit looser with the design because I only had concepts coming into this, as in what each character had built around them, and then I'm tweaking the artwork as I'm going in and around. So the original sketch is developing as I'm painting it, and that's the beauty of these murals, that I get a little bit of freedom on that sense, that I can just build the mural as it's going rather than having it real static, as in like come use a drawing, photocopy that onto there. There's a little bit of creativeness going on as I'm doing the mural, and that's what I like about doing these types of paintings. I'm going to enjoy this boiling hot cup of coffee out of my flask, and then I'm going to get this little section painted next. hopefully don't rain. Let's go. And yeah, we're all done here at Ynyshir Primary School, and I hope all the pupils here enjoy the mural. And if I've got any words of wisdom, always follow your dreams and never take no for an answer. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.